Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about a last minute application alert that is from Alagappa University, Karaikuri. So it's a state government of Tamil Nadu owned university. Those who are qualified already uses a NET or SET or GATE examination, they are exempted from the entrance examination. So here comes the departments or else the disciplines. So here it's the arts, Tamil, English, women studies, history, economics, social work, fine arts, library and information science. And then in science, mathematics, computer science, physics, chemistry, biotechnology, molecular biology, microbiology, nanoscience and technology, bioinformatics, bioelectronics and biosensors, oceanography and coastal area studies, zoology, botany, home science, geology, energy science. And then in management, you can see that management, commerce, corporate secretaryship, and then bank management, international business, political science, logistic management. In education, you can see that education, special education, and then physical education. So you can see that the minimum eligibility criteria, so it has been clearly given that category wise, like for AC, ST, OBC, you have to get a 50%, and then you have to provide the non-creamy layer certificate also if it's possible. Then person with disability also can decide the same, and the pattern of education should be like 10th, 12th, and then a degree. So then you have to be qualified in this degree, particular degree, and with masters. So you can see that the PhD admission to education, it is very specific that you have to completed your MEd or else your MA in education. So then only you will be eligible. So before 5 p.m. today, means 28 January 2021, you have to appear for the apply for the Alagappa University, Karaikudi, Tamil Nadu. Here comes the application fees is 500 rupees. So you can make it as a online transaction. So utilize this last minute alert to get PhD admission into a good state owned university. Thank you.